Just keep it moving. Just keep it moving. Just keep it moving. Just keep it moving.
If you feel like you can't move,
just keep it
stuck.
moving.
You wanna slump,
just keep it moving.
just remember,
Just keep it moving.
you gotta keep it moving at all
Just
times.
keep it
Don't
moving.
stop, man.
One time, two times in the booth now. AM kid losing his cool now. On a slump, can't think, nothing works out. On stage so stiff with a tough crowd. Homeboy feeling like he bound to lose. In the game competition I stand into. Real friends always say they believe in me. Real fans always say they support me. If I leave too long, will I die? I don't wanna fade away. So young, so small, laying all thinking that I just came to play. Don't stop, stay focused, keep it moving. This work will pay off. You're strong, you'll make it. Keep it moving. One day it'll pay off. Don't stop, stay focused, keep it moving. This work will pay off. You're strong, you'll make it. Keep it moving. One day it'll pay off. 3 times, 4 times in the booth now. Got a whole gang of paper in the trash pile. Many rhymes, one song, get it done now. All the songs that you heard, man, I lucked out. Trying to keep my pace, I'm trying to stay in place. Just started out, ain't no time to wait. Stay free till I get the job done. Spend money in my time till I get some. Looking for a scapegoat, but it's on me with the rider's block. Gotta make my dad proud, and it's on me, gotta make it pop.